Yo, what is good, everyone? It's your boy Matt730 G Weezy here with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my tapers. With my saber trimmer from S.CRAFT, I will go from the top of the ear horizontally across and create my skin line. I will then come in with my 1.5 guard and I will come up to the top of the taper as high as I would like it. With his textured hair, I will be creating a harder line. I'm not blending anything with this 1.5. I'm just coming up and taking down the length, the bulk with my 1.5. Now from there, I will not create any other guidelines. I'll actually start tapering down or fading down from there. So after my 1.5, I will put my 1 guard on. I will not open it since I have my 1.5 on right now, and I will just go in and start blending into my 1.5. Again, everyone, if you guys do like these videos, please like and subscribe. Follow my channel, hit that bell, be notified whenever I drop some new heat. Make sure you guys go check out StyleCraft Pro. You could use discount code 730 GWeezy and save a good amount off your whole entire purchase. Those were my instincts that I'm cutting with right there. So like I said, I will have my 1 guard on and I will be blending up into my 1.5. After that, I will throw my 0 guard on, which is a 1/16, and I will blend into my 1. I will not open my lever on this. I keep my levers all closed, so everyone knows at that point it's just the flick of the wrist. Now I will grab my X-Ergos, which I love doing my open and close when I do not have a guard on. I will use my X-Ergos. I love them, feel comfortable with them. Now, a lot of things about this is when you're using your clippers and you have no guard on, it's either going to be the pressure you apply or the way you flick your wrist. So in my case right now, I have my lever open and I will just be flicking up, very light pressure on the blade, flicking up into the 0 guard. And then after that, I will close my lever and then I will get at that bottom where that guideline was and start flicking out into the lever open area, if that makes sense. After that, I will find the area where my lineup or edge up will be going. As you guys know, I do not cut into hairline, so I will be following his natural C cup. And then continuing on from there. As you guys can see, I'm just picking around, just getting rid of some dark spots. Now, on a haircut like this, when they keep their hair long on top, I will push their hair back on top. And I will take my 1 guard, either open or closed. I will always start with my higher length, so I will open it up, and I will go with the grain down when I pull the hair all the way back. So I'll put clips in his hair, I'll pull his hair back, and I'll put my 1 guard on, and I'll start going with the grain down just to get rid of some of that bulkiness that is on his front hairline. After that, I will line it up. I will use a fine-tooth comb to pull any loose hairs away, and then straight after that I will apply my hair enhancements. On his hair, I do use my Barber Culture brand hair dye along with my hair fibers. Right here is my finished product. I hope you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys hit me up. We did the same steps on that side, and then as you guys can see, the front of his head when I spin him, perfectly straight. Not only do the hair fibers make it look clean, it makes that whole haircut pop. So, just remember guys, clean lineups can make a whole haircut pop. Make sure you guys follow this, and I'll see you guys next week for another tutorial.